touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for letting me know what I do. You can't touch it. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch it. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. You know, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, hold a little bit, and let me know what's going on like that.
Woo! I stripped that.
Hold on, you're too much, and this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man?
Can't touch this.
Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. Can't touch this. Give me a song, a rhythm, making them flex. That's what I'm giving them now. They know, they talk about the hammer, they talk about a show that's hot and tight. Singers are sweating so fast, they're a whiteboard tape. 2 words, what's it gonna take in the 90s and burn the charts? Legit, either work hard or you might as well quit. That's the word, because you know, you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Every time. Can't touch this.
What? Can't touch this.
You better get a high boy, because you know you
Can't touch this.
Ring the bell, school's back in. Break it down. Stop. Have a time.
Crisscross. Wait. Do it. Fair. Can't touch this. Give me over your spin.
Break it down.
Oh God!
Have a time. Every time you see me, I have a I'm so full of magic on the mic. Now why would I ever stop doing this without the thinking like this? Don't hit. I don't know the world. I'm running to the bed. It's gonna go. Yo, camera and the rest can go and play. Can't touch this.
I can do that, but I'm on a floor, okay?
Can't touch this.
Oh, whoa! I can't even do it. Can't touch this, bitch!